Hello, I am Pooja from Pooja Tutorial, and today I am going to discuss here the 11th class NCERT book. Name is Trigonometrical Equation. Actually, this is a chapter of 3.5, this one. Okay, and in this chapter what we will do is study here about a trigonometrical equation, and in my previous classes I have already given you a concept about the trigonometrical function. Actually, trigonometrical function is nothing, it is only a function that is um, follow a rules that is related to a trigonometrical ratio, and you know very well that sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec is a trigonometrical ratio. Now, in this chapter, what we will do, trigonometrical equation. You know very well that what is a trigonometrical equation, and you are also familiar about the equation. What is equation? Equation is nothing, only it is when you are equating some quantity variables or the constant to another one is called the equation. There are two way, like as a 3x plus 2 is equal to 1. Then here you are equating variables and a constant with the form, with the sign of the equal, and this is called a trigonometric equation. This is called the equations. This is called the LHS and this is RHS. Okay, then it is a notion of the equation. Up now let's come ahead. What is a trigonometric equation? Trigonometric equation is nothing when you are equating something of a trigonometrical functions is called a trigonometric equation. Okay, up now there are two things we have to study here. First is things that is first things that is called a principal solution, and second one is called a general solution. Actually, what is a general first solution? General solution is nothing, it is only you can see here general solution. First, you know very well every trigonometrical ratio is lie between this one, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, first, second, third, and fourth. Then there are every trigonometrical ratio is lie between the first quadrant to fourth quadrant. Okay, done. Up now, what is a principal solution? Principal solution is nothing when you are taking a solution of x between a 0 to 2 pi is called a principal solution. Okay. Whereas second one is a general solution, and general solution is nothing when you are equating something and you are going to generalize it in a form of inches, that is called a general solution. Then here are two types of solutions we have to read it. First is a principal solution and second is a general solution. Actually, what is a principal solution? Now you see here. Sin x is equal to, you have to find out this one. If sin x is equal to sin y, if you have to equate a two sine thing, then the answer would be in a form of, in the form of what? In the form of n pi, okay, n pi n pi, okay, this is called sin x. Okay, if you are going to generalize it, then what would be happened? This would be happened. Why? You think that why this type of thing is here? Minus 1 means what? Minus 1 to the power n means when you are going to determine it in the form of the even, then you will get a positive sign. And when you are going to deal with a negative, then sorry, in a odd, you will get a negative sign. There are two types of here, negative signs and positive signs. How is I appear from a graph? You see the graphs, sine graph. Sine graph. What is thing when you see the graph? This is a sine theta graph, sine x graphs. You know it well. Then a sine x, it would be a in a sine x it odd form it would be a positive. In a even form it would be a negative. Then there are two types of hairs. First is positive and second is negative. And when you are going to generalize it, then you will find out this solution. Okay, that's why this is called a general solution of the sin x. Okay, whereas if I am going to deal with a cos one, then what you will? Cos x, then what you will get? Cos. Second one is if cos x is equal to cos y, then x would be a 2n pi plus minus y. This is a general form of the cos. Whereas third one is if tan x is equal to tan y, then x is equal to n pi plus minus y. Then this is a general solution of sin x, cos x and tan x. Okay, and you know very well about the principal solution and general solution. Now come on exercise, because it's very important to you to deal a exercise, because without the solving exercise nothing would be happen. That's why come. This is the chapter number 3.4. First question, what is written here? The first question is written here that tan x is equal to root 3. Then how do you solve it? You have to do like this. Sorry. Question, what this question is telling here? Question is, what the question? Tan x is equal to root 3. Then it is a very easy, because the root 3 is what? Root 3 means 10 pi by 3 is root 3. You know very well in your previous classes and 10th classes that 10 pi by 3 be a root 3. Now what you have to do? You have to convert it into in a 2 pi or a pi form. Okay. Then 10 pi plus pi by 3 is equal to what? You have to write this one in this form, because 10 since 10 pi plus theta is equal to what? Tan theta. Then if you will generalize this into a pi form, it would be this. Means x is equal to what? X would be a pi by 3. Okay. Tan x is equal to 10 pi by 3. Tan x is equal to then x is equal to 10 pi by 3. Means now you have to find out the general solution. What will you do? X will be n pi like this. If you have to adding here n means for a general way, n pi plus pi by 3 for all n belongs to. Then this is the general solution of this question. Understand? Now next one question. What the next one question is telling? Next one question is telling that if you see here. What the next one question? Next one question is telling sec x is equal to 2. Then how could you solve it? So see here. Question sec x is equal to 2. Means sec pi by 3 is equal to question number 2 is equal to 2. You know it? Now you have to then write it into a 2 pi form. Then what you will write here? You will write here sec 2n pi plus minus pi by 3 is equal to sec. Because you know very well that 2n pi plus minus theta is equal to sec theta. Okay. Then what is the general solution it is? General solution means and you know very well sec theta is equal to 1 by sec x is equal to 1 by cos x. Means cos x, this implies cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. If I will find out the general solution, then what would be happen? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where for all n belongs to a integer. Then this is a way to find out the general solution. This is a general solution. This is a solution and this is a general solution. This is solution and this is general solution. Now you come on our next one question. What the next one is? Next one is question. You see here. Next one question is now this one is the very easy. This one also is easy. Like this you solve it. You have to generalize it in the form of the 2n pi, and for a general solution you generalize for all integer. Like that we do a question number 5 because it is a little bit different general solution. You have to find out here what general solution. Okay, come question number 5. What the question number 5 is saying that cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. Means what? Means cos 4x is equal to cos 2x is equal to 0. Means 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into sin 4x minus 2x by 2 is equal to 0. Means sin 3x into sin x is equal to 0. This implies 3x is equal to n. Means x is equal to n pi by 3. This is a what? This is a principal solution. And how will you generalize it? You have to generalize it in this form, that x is equal to n pi by 3 for all n belongs to. Then this is a form you have to, this is a general solution. Okay. Then this is a new one question, and this is a way to solve every question in a very easy manner. Okay. Let's discuss about our next one. This is this is also a question, and you have to find out a general solution of this one. Then what I am telling here that you find every questions, and you have, if you have any doubt for solving it, please write in my comments box, and I will give you a suggestion or a solution, uh, every solutions as much as possible uh, soon. Okay, then this is all about the chapter of the trigonometrical function, and today I am going to wrap up my finished my whole chapter. This is name is a trigonometrical function, and next class I will start a new one chapter, that is a fourth chapter. And I think that you have understand this, that concept of trigonometrical equation in very well manner, and what is a principal solution, what is general solution, you have understand it in a very crystal clear manner. Now I am wrapping my class here, and I will meet with you in next class with new concept, with a new chapter. Okay, thanks.